In this video, we will discuss 20 words related to animals. Before that, I have a challenge for you. Can you write 5 words with their meanings in the comment box? Now let's see the 20 words related to animals. 1. Mammal, a warm-blooded vertebrate animal that typically has fur or hair, produces milk to nourish its young, and gives birth to live offspring. 2. Reptile, a cold-blooded vertebrate animal of a class that includes snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles, typically having dry scaly skin and laying soft-shelled eggs on land. 3. Carnivore, an animal that feeds primarily on the flesh of other animals. 4. Herbivore, an animal that feeds mainly on plants and vegetation. 5. Omnivore, an animal that eats both plants and other animals. 6. Predator, an animal that hunts, kills, and feeds on other animals. 7. Prey, an animal that is hunted, killed, and eaten by another animal. 8. Endangered, refers to a species that is at risk of extinction. 9. Extinct, refers to a species that no longer exists. 10. Habitat, the natural environment in which an animal or plant species typically lives. 11. Migration, the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another, often driven by changes in food availability or climate. 12. Camouflage, the ability of an animal to blend in with its surroundings to avoid being seen by predators or prey. 13. Adaptation, a characteristic or behavior that helps an organism survive and reproduce in its environment. 14. Nocturnal, refers to animals that are active or primarily active during the night. 15. Diurnal, refers to animals that are active or primarily active during the day. 16. Hibernation, a state of inactivity and metabolic depression in animals, usually during the winter, to conserve energy. 17. Migration, the long-distance movement of animals from one region to another, typically in response to seasonal changes or food availability. 18. Venomous, refers to animals that possess or produce venom, a toxic substance used to immobilize or kill prey or for self-defense. 19. Herbivorous, refers to animals that primarily eat plants and vegetation. 20. Carnivorous, refers to animals that primarily eat meat or flesh. I hope these words and their meanings help you in understanding various aspects related to animals. See you in the next video.